Hi guys, welcome to my page. What are we cooking today? We are cooking a Edikanko soup, and this is our stock fish, and this is cow skin, and this is turkey that I've already put in the oven, and this is a grounded bell pepper and onions which I'm adding, and this is our nut cube. As you can see, and we're adding a grounded crayfish. Yeah, we're going to put a stir, which I'm doing right now. Wow. Wow, this smells so good. Yes, it smells so good. We are cooking a Edikanko, yes. And the next thing I'm going to be doing, I'm going to have a water leaf. Yes, water leaf. I'll give you a stir and I'm going to add our ugu. Yes, this is ugu leaf. As you can see, wow, this is coming so nice. I'm adding a bit of crayfish as well and salt to taste. And fish, yeah, I just love fish in it. And this is palm oil. Yes, palm oil. You give it a stir and allow it to cook for some minutes. Before you know it, our soup is ready. Please, guys, kindly comment on my page, kindly like, kindly subscribe. As I used to say in all my videos, your comments, your like, your share keep me going. Please watch this video into the end. Wow, you can use this Edikanko to hit pando. Thank you guys. Bye.